Imagine waking up one morning checking your portfolio, and boom! Your investment has doubled or even tripled overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? But guess what? The same thing happened to early investors in Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple. And in 2025, you might have the chance to ride the next big wave. Today we're diving into 5 stocks that could explode in value, making smart investors a fortune. But remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Let's get started. Stock number 1, Nvidia, NVDA, the AI powerhouse. All right, let's kick things off with the king of AI, Nvidia. Why is Nvidia a must-watch stock in 2025? AI is booming, and Nvidia's GPUs are the brains behind it all. Record profits. This company is making money faster than ever. Beyond gaming, Nvidia chips power self-driving cars, robotics, and even ChatGPT. Stock prediction. Some experts believe Nvidia's stock could double in value within a few years. Crazy fact. The demand for Nvidia's AI chips is so high that even billion-dollar companies are waiting in line to buy them. Stock number 2, Microsoft MSFT, AI and Cloud King. Next up, we've got Microsoft, the silent AI giant that's taking over the tech world. Here's why this stock is a beast. Microsoft Azure is crushing it. Their cloud business is worth $80 billion and growing. They basically own OpenAI. Yep, the company behind ChatGPT, AI-powered tools. Microsoft is loading Excel, Word, and Teams with game-changing AI features. Stock growth. Microsoft's stock has grown 800% in 10 years, and experts say it could double again by 2027. Microsoft Azure sustained strong revenue growth in the first half of fiscal year 2025, achieving 33% year-over-year expansion in quarter and 31% in quarter. Did you know? Microsoft's cloud business is growing faster than Amazon's AWS. Who saw that coming? Stock number 3, Tesla, TSLA, Beyond Electric Cars. Tesla, the stock that turns investors into millionaires, or breaks their hearts. By the end of 2025, TSLA could even reach a high of $550. But in 2025, Tesla isn't just about cars. It's about AI, robots, and the future of energy. Self-driving AI. Tesla's full self-driving is getting scary good. Tesla Optimus robot. Imagine a future where robots do your job, and Tesla is selling them. Tesla Energy. Solar panels, mega batteries, and AI-powered grids. Stock potential. Tesla's stock grew 15,000% in a decade, and it's still got room to run. Mind-blowing fact. Tesla cars collect more real-world AI data than any other company on Earth. That's a data goldmine. Stock number 4, Alphabet, Google. AI and search dominator. Let's talk about Google, aka the internet itself. AI-powered search. Google is rolling out AI-enhanced search ads that will print money. YouTube is untouchable. Ad revenue? Insane. Market dominance? Unmatched. Google Gemini AI, competing head-to-head with ChatGPT. Stock performance. Alphabet's stock grew 2,000% in 15 years, and it's still innovating. Crazy fact. Google makes over $250,000 per minute from ads. Yeah, per minute. The global AI market is set to grow by 38% in 2025, as reported by Exploding Topics. Google has announced $75 billion earmarked for capital expenditures in 2025 in its latest earnings report. Stock number 5, Palantir PLTR, AI for governments and big data. All right, this one's for the serious investors who want to spot a hidden gem. Meet Palantir, the AI company that works with governments, intelligence agencies, and massive corporations. Secret AI contracts. Palantir is securing billions in AI deals that most people don't even know exist. Big data is the future. Banks, hospitals, and military agencies all use Palantir's AI to make critical decisions. Predictive AI. Their tech can predict fraud, cyber threats, and even pandemics. Stock prediction. If AI-powered big data takes over, Palantir could be a trillion-dollar company. Final thoughts. Which stock is the best buy? So, which stock should you invest in for 2025? For AI domination, Nvidia and Microsoft. For revolutionary tech, Tesla and Alphabet. For hidden potential, Palantir. Pro tip: the best investors don't just pick one, they diversify. Now here's a question for you. Which stock are you buying? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more high-growth stock insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making opportunity. And don't forget, share this video with someone who wants to build wealth in 2025.